Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to link your Cash App to PayPal in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it easier to manage your money across platforms. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just splitting bills with friends, linking these two can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Cash App and PayPal apps installed on your device and that they're updated to the 2025 versions for smooth compatibility. Open your Cash App and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Banking or Money tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the Linked Accounts or Add Bank option. Tap on that and you'll see a list of supported banks and services. Select PayPal from the options available. If it's not showing up directly, you might need to choose Add Manually and enter your PayPal details. Now, you'll be prompted to sign in to your PayPal account. Enter your email and password, then follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Cash App might ask for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Be sure to complete that step. After everything is verified, confirm the linking process. You'll get a success message, and now your accounts are connected. You can start transferring funds between them right away. Keep in mind, if you run into any issues, like an error message or failed link, double-check your login details or restart the apps. If problems persist, reach out to Cash App or PayPal support. They're usually quick to help. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Cash App to PayPal in just a few simple steps. This setup can make your financial life a lot easier, so give it a try and enjoy the convenience. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.